Hi Maria, what's going on in September?
Oh wow, well, September is a powerful transformation month. You know, it's the number 9. That means a lot of endings can take place for new beginnings. Let me tell you a little bit about it. You see, here at Illuminations in JLT, I'm going to be giving some interesting meditations. One of them is the cord cutting one, where it will free you from past lives and past relationships. We're also going to be doing energy activations to keep you uplifted and strong for the new energies that are coming through, especially the full moon, which is happening on the 14th of September. We're also going to be doing some group rebirthing sessions. We're going to be tapping into past lives. So you're going to be discovering a lot of things about your past and understanding how they're affecting your now moment. I'm also having a Facebook Live. Join me on that because I'm going to tell you about different healing modalities and how they can help you to get into your life purpose. You know, I'm also having the rescripting of your life group session, which is where we tap into your Akashic records and you end up talking to your higher self, angels, and ascended masters. And join me on my free seminar as well, where I'll tell you about this amazing new healing modality that I founded called life scripting. You'll understand so much about it, and maybe you'll be intrigued to join my course in October and the 4th to 5th. See you!